Hey guys, I am Matthias and today I'm going to repair thumb wheel on this camera, which is Nikon D5100. This is my main camera I shoot videos on, so it has to be repaired as fast as possible. With this thumb wheel you can set things like aperture, shutter speed and ISO, so without it the camera is unusable. So I have found video of someone repairing it in a way that he has bought some spray for cleaning contacts and spray the wheel, and that I will try today. After spraying, I will let it dry. First try. It doesn't work. And after a few minutes of rotating the wheel, oh wow, it's actually working. It was so easy. And now, after telling the camera how good is it that it is actually working, so now I can shoot. I cannot. What? Wait. And now, after repeating the same process, I decided to wait longer. Now, 10 minutes later, and no, it gets stuck, but something is working. But now, look at this. I have only rotated the camera and it works perfectly. See, now I am happy. That's because I don't know that next day morning it has stopped working. Next day I tried the same thing, but it didn't help. So I will try to figure out another way of fixing it, and it will be in the second part of this video. For now, bye.